Hey friends, today we'll be starting to draw Master ShiFu from the Kungfu Panda series. We have the image as a pretty long image and we will have to make sure that we have the length right. So for that I'm going to make sure first that I have the proportion correct. So for that I'm drawing a line right in the middle and then lines on the sides with the width of my ruler, so that's not much confusing right there. So that's for the image and then sides for the rulers. Next, I'm going to start with drawing the height measures. So for that, I'm going to use my eraser and measure the height. Accordingly, just go below. So like I've marked the very top as for 1, and then equal measures 2, 3, and 4. And the same measure I'll do for where I'm planning to draw the image as 1, 2, 3, and 4. The height would be that of the eraser. Next, now this gives me the proportion of how big the image would be. So I'll start from with the head. So the head size is almost equal to the space between 1 and 2. Notice the left side, there's a little bit of space left. So I'll use that and draw an approximately oblique, oval shape there. Notice I have to make sure that the nose comes right above number 2 and the eyes are a little bit slanted. So make sure I have the eyes slanted out. The other approach I'm taking for the eyes is, since the two eyes are not of the equal shape, one is a circle and the other one is kind of like a rectangle. So I'm going to draw them. Everything I'm doing right now is all lightly shaded so that I am not um, making any mistakes and to use my corrections. So I drew my eyes and then I have my eyebrows on top. Above that, I'll start to identify where the ears would come. So for the ear, the right ear, you notice over there, it occupies the space between the middle line and the rightmost line, uh, the vertical lines. So I'm going to draw the ear shape. The height of the ear goes a little bit above, almost half of what it would be between 1 and 2. And I draw the ears there. Once the ears are done, overall shape is ready. I'm going to draw uh, I'm going to start drawing a little bit darker now as I'm more confident on how the shape would look. Next, I'm going to try drawing the hands. Notice where the hand comes in, right at the level of the eye, and then the inner side of his shirt, the sleeve, can be also seen there. Next, I'm drawing the other hand. Just going to shade this hand a little bit more. So for the other hand, it's going completely across. Just make sure that is right on there. Notice how I mark the point where I need to get the width of the sleeve. And finally, I'm just drawing the overall shape of that hand. Next, I'm trying to get the belt right, the belt shape of the belt right. So you'll notice the belt comes right on 3, and I'm getting that correct. So next thing I'm going to do is trying to get the shirt shaped correctly. Okay, and then for the legs, notice that the legs size of the leg needs to make sure that the leg size is correct. In my case, it comes right above the number 4 there. And then the belt, I'm just shading them now. and then I'm going to shade the borders of his shirt, the beard. Now I'm going to start darkening and shading. I think shades would look good. I won't be coloring this image, this picture today, but I'm just going to get an overall feel of how the image would look like. So I'm going to shade dark wherever I see the dark colors, and I'm going to start using my pen now. So the overall image is ready. So I'm going to use my pen and start marking the overall, uh, starting with the eyes, the eyebrows, nose, and the notice the shape I'm giving. I'm mostly overlaying on top of however I had drawn with my pencil. So when you do your pencil work, make sure that it's pretty light, but at the same time you should be able to identify clearly how that image would look like. Even for the eye pupils, I'm not drawing it completely, just leaving it a little bit for effects. Notice I have left some space between. I'm not joining them completely. But yeah, overall that's how it would look. Make sure that when you draw this, draw it light first with your pencil, and then once you are confident, start drawing the overall picture image with pen. Good luck. Next time.